merong tinatawag na agreement itong mga jail guards with the late mayor. Totoo ba yan?
Yun po ang information, sir.
Pero hindi nyo inaresto yung jail guards.
Bali, sir, nung in-implement namin yung search warrant at present po doon sa gate ng Baybay Provincial Jail, ayaw po kami yung papasukin. Ang ginawa ng jail guard, nagkunyari lang, sir, na bubuksan niya, sir, yung padlock, pero nung pinasok niya, sir, yung susi, binali niya. So there was an intent to not let us in. So we used a reasonable equipment, yung bolt cutter, para po putulin po yung kadena ng gate. So we were compelled to restrain them. Kaya po namin sila pina-face the wall, kaya po namin kinuha yung armas nila kasi we don't want anything to happen between us. Kasi baka mamaya anong maisipan,
sir? You
sir.
were compelled to restrain them.
Yes, sir. Kasi,
but you are not supposed to kill Mayor Espinosa because he has constitutional rights that you must observe as police officers. Am I right?
Based po sa circumstances, si Major Laraga po makakasagot yun, sir. Kasi
Teka.
siya po siya pumasok.
Antun ka eh. You were there. You were leading the team.
Yes, sir. I was there, but
what I'm saying is, binayolate ninyo ang constitutional right nung inuhuli ninyo. Whether he be a drug lord or whatever he is, meron siyang constitutional right. Am I right?
yes, sir. We always do that.
And you ought, no, you're not doing it. And you ought to respect that. Iimon sabihin sa akin, kahit meron kayong compelling reason to have a search warrant, that you should respect the constitutional right of any person because even a suspect is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Am I right, Colonel Marcos?
Yes, sir. But circumstances...
But you did not observe that, Colonel Marcos.
It was Major Laraga, sir, who made the shootout.
Don't put the blame to somebody else. You were the one leading the team. Do not put the blame on somebody else. Hindi mo sabihin, dahilan sa underclass mo si Major Lara, ipipinpoint mo that he is to blame for this?
My clear instruction, sir, is to arrest Mayor Espinosa and Raul Yap. That was my clear instruction.
So that's your clear instruction.
Yes,
so
sir.
Nung napatay itong si Mayor Espinosa, anong ginawa mo kay Major Lara?
I asked him what happened, sir.
Anong ginawa mo sa kanya?
Tinanong ko siya, sir, bakit nagkabarilan sa loob?
At tinanong mo lang.
Ngayon, sabi niya, sir, lumaban, may baril daw, sir. Eh.
Hindi mo kinuha yung baril niya, hindi mo kinuha yung tsapa niya, o kaya naman, tinanggal mo siya sa posisyon. Hindi mo ginawa yun. Hindi mo ginawa yun.
Hindi po, sir.
So, my goodness, you're going to blame your underclass, Major Lara, na pumatay doon. Alam mong mali ang ginawa niya. That's why you're pointing him eh. Alam mong mali ang ginawa niya. You should have arrested him. You should have removed him from his opposition. Sapagkat yan dapat ang ginagawa ng police. Am I right?
Yes, sir. But I believe Major Laraga has to defend himself.
Can I ask Atty. Neri, kung halimbawa, Atty. Neri, kung halimbawa, biniblame niya si Major Lara, okay? Hindi siya, samantala siya ang leader ng team. Anong dapat ang ginawa ni Colonel Marcos kay Major Lara?
Under the rules, Mr. Chair, dapat pinaimbestigahan niya. Kasi the claim of self-defense is not something na iabsuelto ng higher up niya. Meaning to say, ang pwedeng sabihin ni Colonel Marcos, sorry Major sa ilalim ng batas, inamin mong pinatay mo, ang sabi mo nag-self-defense ka, kakasuhan ka namin, ilabas mo na lang sa korte yung depensa mo. But ako, as a colonel, I am not a judge, I am not a prosecutor, I have no power to absolve you. So there is already probable cause, Mr. Chair, na may nangyaring pagpatay. Inamin, Mr. Chair. So kasuhan mo na lang. And that's the DOJ opinion in many instances of claims to self-defense. Kasi otherwise, Mr. Chair, kung ang isang koronel o sino man ay magsabi, self-defense pala nanlaban, okay, di ang mangyari sa buong Pilipinas, Mr. Chair, ganun-ganun na lang, na anybody can just claim self-defense. But the rules and the laws require that the PNP should file a case against any of its officers, inquest nga, Mr. Chair, under the rules of engagement, and let the defendant answer the accusation sa court, and if na-prove niya na self-defense nga talaga, then he could be acquitted. But the colonel or the general or Senator Bato or anybody, even the president, cannot absolve any police officer who killed somebody on the mere say-so of that police officer na self-defense ang ginawa niya po.
Mr. Chair, did we invite Major Laraga here? Comsec, inibita ba natin si Major Laraga? Wala, ano? We would like to, I'd like to make a motion to invite him in the next hearing.
Comsec, please take note of the request of Congressman Abante and kindly wrap up, Congressman Abante.
So Colonel Marcos, do you agree with the statement of Attorney Nery Colmenares?
Meron po, Mr. Chair, pinapalo po ang PNP na police operational procedure.
That it's not within the police procedure. Colonel Marcos, do not make me ignorant of that. Ibig mong sabihin, procedure ninyo na meron kayong search warrant, papasukin nyo ang selda, papatayin nyo yung tao, ganun ba yung procedure?
Wala po akong instruction, sir, na patayin. Ang sabi ko, arrestuhin, sir. Wala pong instruction na patayin.
Kung yan ang sinabi mo to restrain them, nakita mong pinatay, you should have done something to the policeman that killed Mr. Mayor Espinosa. You should have done something.
Pasensya na po, sir. Kasi,
But you did not do anything.
sabi ko nga po, sir, based on procedure sa PNP, wala naman pong sinabi na arestuhin ko yung kasamahan ko na nakapatay during police operation unless na there is probable cause that he made it with intent. Kumbaga, may intention talaga siyang patayin.
CHR, so you believe that the policeman violated his constitutional right and they are guilty of a human rights violation?
Your Honor, yes, it is the stand of the Commission per its resolution in 2018 that Sir Marcos, as respondent in the case of the then now deceased Mayor Espinosa, violated the human rights of Mayor Espinosa due to the death resulting from the operation that they conducted inside the jail, Your Honor.